So how do you build that credibility as well as that connection? I currently work in a very male-dominated field, totally fine with that, but I just feel like I can't entirely pinpoint yet what to talk about besides like finance, and I don't want to always talk about finance.
Yeah, okay, so here's an opportunity. So sometimes it can feel easier to connect with people that we view as similar to ourselves. A lot of studies show that we naturally assume that we're more similar, let's say in values and all the things, with people who look like us and are maybe similar in age, and that's an unconscious bias. So if it sounds like there's a perception that, in this male-dominated industry, I need to talk about finance, I need to talk about golf. These are the things that men understand and that they like. So I would challenge that belief. And instead of you coming up with, oh my gosh, what do I bring up? This is overwhelming. I know they like two things. You can ask them. And even just kind of matter of fact, like, hey, so I'm just curious, aside from golf or aside from, whatever, like, what other sort of interests do you have? Or, so then you're not putting all the emotional labor on yourself to fully, you could stalk their LinkedIn a little bit and see, but why not ask the question and see what comes up for them. And then from there, you can see if you have some things, more things in common than you would think you would have in common on a surface look.